Feeling overwhelmed by your personal to-do list? Let's dive into how you can harness the power of Jira, normally used for complex team projects, to conquer your own tasks and projects. Whether it's planning your next vacation, learning a new skill, or finally getting that novel finished, we'll start by creating your own Jira project. First, you'll need to create a Jira account. If you don't already have one, then click the Create Project button. From the many project templates, choose either a Kanban or Scrum project or any other template you might like. Kanban is great for tasks with no specific deadlines, while Scrum is better if you want more structure. Name your project something like Jane Doe's Personal Projects or whatever works for you. Now, let's create your first task in your newly created project. You will find your board. A Kanban board is structured by columns. To add a task, click Create, and a window pops up where you will create the task type. You'll see different options like task, bug, or story. Task is perfect for, well, tasks. Let's say you choose to create a task for writing a blog post. Next, fill in the details. Give your task a clear and concise title in the summary field, like Write Blog Post Draft. In the description box, add more detail, such as the blog post's topic, a target word count, or any links. Optional. Set a due date. After you hit Create, your task will appear on your board, typically in your to-do column. Add more tasks for other project objectives. As you work on tasks, move them across your board. Drag the Write Blog Post Draft card into the In Progress column when you start writing. When you finish, move the task to the Done column. Keep updating your items to visually track your project's progress, and that's it. You're now using Jira to manage your personal projects. You can add subtasks, attach files, add more detail, and customize your workflow even further. Utilizing Jira for personal assignments will make you more efficient and organized. #JRA Personal #Self-Management.